You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bug.
Welcome back to another video on the KA. All right, I know the videos are everywhere, Celica, events, 240, G35, but as I stated before, as you buy merchandise, we use that income to put towards making content for you guys. All right, so as you guys purchase merchandise, this is where it goes. It's not in my pocket. It's not going to the club. You know, it all goes back here. But last video, we had an issue with the front cover and the distributor not fitting, and went ahead and got an issue resolved. As you can see, it's in there. All right, so now this video, I'm pretty much already cleaned up the front cover. I'm gonna clean this up, put new copper gasket on, because I have a Cometic head gasket, and using the right stuff to seal the rest of the front cover. Button that back up, put the valve cover back on, and then I can get on to accessory pieces. That being said, I still need to buy the O-rings for the injectors, and that's pretty much train of thought right away. So the tube was clogged, giving issues, so I went ahead and just unscrewed the top and scraped what I needed out in there. Got sealer all around. So I'm gonna put a copper spray on now.
Hey, yo!
Alright, distributor is in. As you guys can see, it spins freely. Boom. It's in there. So I want to talk about this needs to be shorter. This is going to sit right here. Let me put a bolt in. This. We have to wait till we get it in the car and mock it up, because I think this is going to hit the brake booster. If not, again, got to sell some more merch to get a header or top mount manifold that sits further up front. And it's not a problem relocating the power steering. I can get that kit from Chase Base. Just move the power steering out of the way, because this, I think, is going to hit the brake booster. And like I said, we got to cut this. Drain line is right here, so we got to cut it to about here. And feed line is already in place. We're getting there slowly. You guys are wondering, it's a 70 trim. Big old monster. But when you want to make monster power, hey, let me get you guys in closer. Damn, that thing is huge compared to the engine. Golly. Photo opportunity. So that's gonna be it for this video. The distributor is in. The top is buttoned back up. Mocked up the turbo, showed you guys what's coming next. So hopefully tomorrow I can stop at AutoZone, get the belts I need, put on there, put all the 3 bolts in the ATI damper, put the instructions, and yeah, getting there slowly. But if you guys are wondering, it's not a Garrett or a Precision. It's all on 3 Performance. And there you go. It's a 70 trim, big boy. And you guys might say, your engine is not going to turn that, but it will. Trust me. One day I'll tell you guys exactly what's in the bottom end. One day. But for now, let's worry about it. Button this up and get in the car. But hey, thank you guys as always, and get the merch, man. Get the merch. Can't finish this if you guys don't get the merch. Right? I can see you. You watching, but you ain't buying. Come on, get the merch, y'all. One last time.